This video will show you how to set up a webinar-style web meeting using Skype for Business and the web scheduler. So the first thing I need to do is get to the web scheduler, and I can find that by just doing a simple search, Stony Brook, Skype for Business. And the first result is the information technology page. And then I can click on Create a Web Meeting. This will create the meeting room link that I need to send out to my attendees. I'm going to put in my Stony Brook email address. And then enter my NetID password in the password section. Sometimes this page will take a few seconds to initialize. So this is the form that I will use to generate the web meeting URL. I'm going to give it a title. And then the next thing I need to do is extend the end time to something into the future. So I usually try to do it December 31st. The reason why you want to extend the end time is if you create this meeting room and you don't use it for 2 weeks, after the end date, it will expire. The next thing I want to do is click Save, and that's all you have to do here. It creates the meeting room that we can copy and paste into a calendar event or into an email. I'm just going to copy it here for right now. If by chance you lose the link, you can always get it back by going back to that web scheduler. Once you're in the web scheduler, click on the back button, and here is the link to your meeting rooms. To join a meeting, just click on the link or click the Join button. On this page, as a presenter, you'll want to join via the desktop application. If you are a guest and you're faced with this question and you don't have Skype for Business installed on your machine, you'll want to join via the web. So I'm going to click on Skype for Business desktop. Let me cancel this. And here it's asking me if I want to open Skype for Business. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to use the full audio and video experience. Now I have my webinar set up with only me in it. I can turn on my video. I can unmute my microphone, and I can also share my screen. If I want to stop presenting my screen, I can click Stop Presenting. When I'm done, I can hang up. And that's basically it.